Hi guys, welcome to
Feed Me Good!
Since a lot of us are celebrating Veganuary, we are here with another recipe to make this month easy on you. Today we'll be making a vegan chicken burger without using any mock meat. This is for all the non-vegetarians who have been avoiding meat right now or have turned vegan or vegetarian, and the vegetarians who want to try something different and yummy. So let's get started. We will first make a spiced mayonnaise, and for that we will take 1/3 cup or 110 grams of vegan mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, salt as required, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste or grated garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we will mix everything together. And keep it aside. In a bowl, we will take 1 cup or 120 grams of refined wheat flour or maida, half a cup or 75 grams of cornstarch, salt as required, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, you can also use cayenne pepper, half tablespoon of black pepper powder, half tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and we will mix all these ingredients together. Now move this aside and take a small plate. We will remove 2/3 of the mixture into the plate. We will add 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to the plate and 1 teaspoon of garlic grated to the bowl. We will give a quick mix to all the ingredients in the plate. And add half a cup of room temperature water to the bowl. We will also mix everything in the bowl and form a smooth batter. Place a larger plate also along with the plate and the bowl we have placed earlier. We'll be using 200 grams of oyster mushroom for this recipe, and we will dip each oyster mushroom in the wet batter and then coat it with a dry mixture. Repeat this process for the entire batch of mushroom. This coating process is extremely important, so make sure that the mushrooms are well coated, or else when you start frying the mushroom, the oil will start to splutter. Once we have coated all of our mushroom, we will fry the mushroom in small batches. Do not add too many mushroom pieces at once. Fry the mushrooms on a medium to high flame until it turns golden brown. Once it is golden brown, we will remove it from the oil and place it on a plate lined with a paper towel to remove the extra oil. Fry all the mushroom pieces. While that is happening, hit the like button. It is a great way to support us, so please make sure that you hit the like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon and select all to never miss any of our unique recipes. Moving back to the recipe. I am going to show you what it looks like from the inside after we have fried our mushrooms. It is crunchy and crispy on the outside and super meaty and soft on the inside. Now it is time to assemble our burger. We will take one sliced and toasted bun. Add and spread our spiced mayo to the bottom part of the bun. Then we will add pickled jalapenos. You can add as many as you'd like. Then we will add shredded lettuce. Place a fried oyster mushroom on top. Place the upper part of the bun to close the burger and enjoy it.